SRK is a worldwide group of the top experts in mining-related sciences. So from geotechnical to mine planning and design through exploration, we service the full mining industry on a global basis.
SRK has an outstanding reputation within the mining industry, and basically you're working with leading industry experts when you're working in SRK, so the employees actually get to interact with the experts in the business.
When I first told my old mentor that I was joining SRK, he works for one of SRK's competitors, he congratulated me and told me that I was working with the best people in the world in my field.
As far as people working within SRK, I've found that generally they're going to find that if they do well here, if they can build their own practice here, they'll find that that reputation benefits them by adding to their reputation.
SRK is a multinational company with projects worldwide, so as an employee you get to travel to a lot of challenging projects and learn the different culture associated with each project areas where you go to.
I myself did a secondment to South America. That was fantastic. I got paid to travel basically.
I know there are people a lot smarter than I within SRK that you can call upon. We have 50 odd offices around the world, and there's experts in virtually every one of those offices.
Myself coming from France, it takes working with people from all over the world allows me to step back and think about what are my cultural assumptions and how other people may think differently.
What I like about the culture at SRK is that there's a variety of age groups, and it's actually easy on making friends, and outside of work I am friends with those people.
SRK's flat structure is great because it has a sense of formality, however it doesn't diminish individual creativity, innovation and development. And what I really love about the open door policy is that mentorship and advice is easily accessible on a day-to-day basis.
I'm a fairly junior engineer, and I have the opportunity to work with principal consultants with 20, 30, 40 years of experience in the mining industry. And so I'm able to draw on their vast experience and knowledge base.
As a junior, you get just as much chance to interact with the clients as you do at the senior level. And that is great exposure to work within these teams. You get to see how your seniors interact, and you actually start learning how to actually really network.
The flat structure of the organization eliminates the hierarchy or hierarchical sort of approach in terms of engaging with different staff at different levels.
Our employees are in fact our shareholders, which really helps in encouraging individuals to be motivated and this incentive to achieve and succeed.
The key benefits of being employee owned is it maintains our independence. It gives our staff a direct involvement in our strategic thinking, planning what we're going to do next. It also ensures that all our staff are involved and benefit when the company is performing well.
Everyone in the company is constantly looking and trying to find those new technologies that will make our clients more successful. Whether it be from optimization software through new machines or new techniques in mining, we're constantly evaluating and reviewing those and trying to make sure that we give the best product we can to our clients.
I've worked on many environmental and social impact assessments for mining projects, and the ones that I found most rewarding are the ones that have changed project designs to reduce impacts.
SRK is committed to ensuring that our staff and our clients are aware of their environmental and social management responsibilities.
The way that it benefits you is there's not really much of a ceiling, as you can go as high and as far as you want to go. There's very few people to tell you no and to tell you can't have something or can't do something. If you're ambitious and if you apply yourself, there's really nothing to stop you from doing well.
I just love that I get challenged to push myself forward, and that's one thing I think that's important. You certainly don't sit on your laurels here.
I had a client who put it perfectly. He pulled me aside one day, and he used to be a general manager for one of the big mines that we work with. And he said, "You know, this is fabulous. What an awesome opportunity for you." He said, "You at SRK get to ride on the shoulders of giants.